just realized that I did not actually have any audio playing during the entire time that I recorded this entire video. So here is a video clip of me talking without any sound. Isn't that great? Anyway, so today's video is going to be about me just organizing my old setup with my computer and my Xbox and showing you all of the equipment that I have and pretty much like transforming my room and reorganizing everything so that I have a proper PC and gaming setup. And I'm going to show you guys everything that I have pretty much with a step-by-step. But yeah, that's me not realizing. Bye. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that here I'm just talking to the camera while very shakily holding it about how awful my setup was before and what it looked like. It's completely awful and terrible. The cables were so jacked up, and I'm just about to show you. It is that. It looked like that. That was what I was using to literally stream and, you know, do all my work on my computer. Yeah, look at that cable management. It's beautiful. Totally not just god awful and standing on top of a Walmart desk holder thing. Oh, and then I would play my Xbox over there. So I would have to run across my room back and forth to, stream while I was playing games. It was horrible, and it looks horrible, and I'm sorry that you had to see that. So essentially, this is me just time-lapsing, organizing all of the cords and cable management and cleaning up the whole area because it was a mess. All of the cords were tangled. I had just no organization whatsoever, and I had to move all of that stuff. I decided over to my actual desk where my Xbox was. So this is me just organizing everything. So yeah, after I was done organizing everything, I never took a video of the final product because I forgot and I'm stupid, but here is essentially what I just recorded right now, which is just my setup as I'm currently filming this. My room is still messy, so don't look at that, but I pretty much just put my computer right next to my TV with my Xbox right there in the little corner. That's my Snowball Yeti microphone thing. I couldn't get the picture of my webcam in the recording screen of it, so I'm just going to link it in the description below. But this is what my setup looks like now. I put my speakers on the wall to save space. My TV's mounted. There's my slipper on the floor. But yeah, it looks really nice compared to what it used to look like. So yeah. Okay, so I think that was a good walkthrough of my entire gaming setup, what it used to look like, and me organizing it, and how it looks like now. I think it is a massive improvement. I have my PC right next to my Xbox, which is super convenient, although I am still trying to work on getting my computer to work faster. I'm trying to build or put in parts of my PC to make it run faster because right now my internet can't keep up with streaming on multiple platforms and stuff like that. But I don't know why I look so energetic in this video. It looks weird. I don't know what I'm talking about. Either way, I hope that this was just a short little walkthrough. This is a kind of first time me for editing a video. This one I edited pretty fast, and yeah, if you want to see me, yeah, look, I'm embarrassed at myself talking. If you want to see me, I am mainly streaming on Twitch. Probably gonna go stream right now, right after this. And yeah, just stay tuned for more videos coming up in the future. I hope that I can get better at editing and creating more cohesive content because I always get so distracted and I can't even watch the videos that I edit. I'm getting off track right now. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope that this was somewhat informational and that you can go in the description and get any of the items that I have listed or shown or that I use for my setup. It's all fairly cheap. Everything, each item is at least under $100, and except for my PC and the Xbox, of course, but all of the accessories and stuff will be linked in the description. And I'll try to get better at organization videos and stuff like that. I'm still trying to stay tuned for a video of me organizing and setting up a new station for when I start having my own place to stream. So yeah, thank you. Bye. Oof, okay. Yay!